How to connect Forge to Minecraft. Hi there! In this video, you're going to learn how to install Minecraft Forge, the easiest way to run mods in Minecraft Java Edition. If you always wanted to enhance your Minecraft with mods, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Minecraft Java Edition. First, make sure you have Minecraft Java Edition installed. Open the game at least once using the version you want to forge for. This helps Forge detect your setup. Step 2. Download Forge. Next, go to the official Forge website, files.minecraftforge.net. Choose the Minecraft version you want. Then, click on the installer button under the recommended section. Step 3. Install Forge. Open the Forge installer. It's a jar file, so make sure you have Java installed. Select Install Client and then click OK. Step 4. Open Minecraft with Forge. Now, open your Minecraft launcher. In the version drop-down menu next to the play button, select the new version profile that was just added. Click play, and you're running Minecraft with Forge. Step 5. Add mods, optional. To add mods, go to your Minecraft folder. On Windows, type this in the search bar and open the Minecraft folder. Then, open the mods folder and drag your downloaded mods files in there. They should be jar files. After that, launch Minecraft with Forge profile again, and your mods will load automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to install Minecraft Forge and start playing with mods. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more Minecraft tips, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.